super early. It's about, I don't know, 6:45. And just trying to find some quiet. Anyways, I am going for a walk. I'm gonna go say hi to my birds. Then I have some studio space reserved. It's like in my house. I'm gonna film a couple of other things that I think are gonna work really well for a YouTube video. So to give you like an idea, I wrote down a long time ago that it would be fun to go back and like redo choreography from videos when I was younger. So I have a couple in mind today that I'm gonna give it a try, and it should be funny. So, yeah, let's go find some birds. Good morning, little pal. Come here. You want your snack? Okay, all right. There he is. Come. There you go. Come. I know. Here you go. Okay. Bye. There he is. Are you ready to play? All right, buddy. How about it? Oh. You know what? Big sass. Right there. Okay, so now I'm picking up some breakfast tacos, and then I'm gonna make my way home, and I don't know, probably do like a little yoga or stretch or something just to kind of warm up a bit. But I've had a nice walk, so let's get breakfast. Got the goods. Oh my gosh. So I just like half ran the key tree act 3. I can't really do everything, and then I also like have to use my dot over there for point work. But actually this floor is not that bad, unsurprisingly. So, oh my gosh. that's so hard. Like the fifths, I need a fan because it felt stupid just kind of doing them and staring at the mirror. So much. That was fun. I feel like, you know, I got the balance eventually. I could use more like shoulder. I think that I tend to like collapse into my shoulders because they're not that strong. So I definitely next time want to work on that. I'm not pointing my feet all the way, but I really didn't warm up very much. So that was fun. I'm warm now. So now I'm gonna switch to my flat shoes, and I think I'm actually gonna rehearse a different variation. It's from Paquita. I always forget the number, but it's a slower one. I've been wanting to learn it for a while. It's kind of like for taller people, so we'll see how it goes, but not, of course, in my points. They're starting to die right here, so. But I mean, they look pretty good, but they don't look as good as the day that I sewed them and I first broke them in, so. But that's okay. They're still like, they're like hard enough for like rehearsal in class and stuff. I don't mind. I do like that it's like easier to balance and stuff, but generally I like my frees. Anyways, yeah, so far, like this room is not bad. It's not bad. I had to lock myself in though, and somebody has already tried to like come in, so I didn't realize there were deadbolts, but I locked them so I could just be by myself and not have to worry about people coming in and looking at me. Yeah, I'm gonna switch the shoes and then film a bit rehearsing this other variation and see how it goes. Okay. So now, I think I'm gonna practice some machetes and maybe some left pirouettes. I also realized that Ballet Chicago is very much like a balancing training group. So they spot to the front. So I'm just gonna practice spotting. What else? Turning to the left. Yeah, and then I'm gonna call it a day. But I'm having fun. This is good. Okay, here we go. Let's just warm up with like machetes to the right. I'm just gonna put my hands on my hips. Okay. I'm already in pose. Oh fuck, that was really hard. 1, 2, 1. I feel like I'm 7 again. Okay, I guess I didn't dance when I was 7. I feel like I'm 11. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, okay. So, you know, the problem is that I'm so trained to go in the direction that I'm looking. That's how I have taught. I don't even remember them being really strict about squatting front when I was at P&B, because I was such a little kid. I think, like, I don't remember it. Or I didn't think twice. Or I have done this before, it just doesn't feel familiar, I'm not sure, but either way, I'm not having a good time. Okay, this thing keeps wanting to fall off. Okay, all right, left. We're doing left. Okay, I think I'm just going to stay flat. Here we go. Okay, inverse position. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, move a little faster. One, two, wait. I think left is the problem. So, still really easy. I think I'm tired. Let's be done. Okay, that was good. I feel practiced. I'm gonna go clean up, and then my boyfriend and I are going to move. And then I have to work early tomorrow. I'm doing really early work this month, so I have to go to bed at like 8:30, which is crazy. But today I got up at like 6:30, so I think I'll be tired. What time is it? See, it's only 10:45 and it feels like 1 o'clock. So this is good. Anyways, yeah, okay. I don't know what's coming up next, but whatever it is, it's probably some cutesy little rest of the vlog. And I hope you liked this, and I'm gonna do more stuff rehearsing in the future, no matter how bad I look. Okay, I'm doing a vlog of my day today.
Every day.
And we just went and saw, what did we see? F1. I think it's just called F1. Oh, it's not very clever, but it is very clear. Anyways, I don't know what else to say. I did a bunch of dance. Huh?
Riveting vlog.
Riveting vlog. Well, no, this is like the end of it, so I'm just signing off and deciding if I'm going to exercise some more. I'm tired. Are you going to exercise?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit the bike.
You gonna hit the bike?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can't do much else.
Yeah, your finger's broken. Broke his finger trying to play softball. Anyways, I'm trying to make more YouTube videos. Did you know I made my first YouTube video?
No.
Forgot to tell you.
Can I watch it?
It's because it's lame and I did it in portrait. But it's okay. Sure, you can watch it. That's what I used that cutting tool
Did it vertical?
for. I did, because I wasn't sure if I was going to put it on YouTube or not, and then
You
I
can
was
do
like,
shorts vertical.
I might as well just do it. Yeah, but it's like 12 minutes. But anyways, I'll make more videos and you can help me. I feel like I need to do the ballet boyfriend trend. Teach my boyfriend how to ballet. Bye!